Alright, I'm going to be making some progress on the detailing of the front portion of the fuselage. As I was telling you guys that I've been facing some issues because the PCB, the control board, which I'm supposed to be mounting here before I go ahead with the detailing of the fuselage, I thought it's going to be a problem. Now I've read some blogs and watch some YouTube videos. However, I just could figure out something here. What I'll be doing here is these things, like it'll go down here like this, it's going to go down here like this, and this space, and again a lot of detailing that is involved here. It'll go down, go in here like this, and the other piece here, it will go on here like this, top and the bottom of the main frame. And in the end, this little thing which I had already glued in, the three parts which yesterday which I had glued in, will be going on top of like this. So this is going to make the front portion of the fuselage detailing, and the two little pieces here, this and this, will be going behind here like this. Yes, okay, so all these require gluing. There's no screwing at all. Everything is to be glued onto the main frame. So the worry was, what am I going to do with this once, and this is how it's going to look like. This is going to sit on top of all this. So my worry was, how am I going to install my control system on here, that is down here, once I have this whole setup. So I figured out that though I will be gluing in all these surfaces here and here and here and back here and here, this particular piece need not to be glued to any of these surfaces here or here or here. I'm not going to be gluing in that. What I will be doing is simply going to screw 4 and 3 screws and leave it as it is in future, because what I can do is, anytime if I want to make changes to the PCB or anything, any kind of electronics that I need to install, whether it can be GPS or anything like that, what I can do is simply remove these screws from here. This is what it's going to do is, I can remove the top portion of this frame, and in turn I will have room to access the secondary portion of this frame. In turn, if I have to, if I need to again go down and come down here and access this space here for my control board, I can remove the screws from here and remove this part, and I can get access to the main frame. So this isn't a problem. It's totally okay without going ahead and building this frame without having the control system placed in here. So it is quite a easy thing that I figured out. So there's no issues. I can completely build this frame now without any hassle. And I read it and I could just figure out this way, and just completely happy about it, because this was bothering me from a couple of hours, like yesterday, whether the video I've started building it was from yesterday. So I had to stop 80% down here, because I had to figure out what I should be doing, whether I had to keep these things, keep the details on the frame, or just get rid of these and just keep this frame like this. But I don't want to spoil the design of this frame, So I got the fix, so I'm going to make the changes onto the, I'm going to go ahead and build this frame completely as it is, how you see it, just like Scorpion 650 console. Anyway, let me just glue in these surfaces and I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, I have completed building this frame 100%. I mean to say only the frame. Here you can see I've emptied the kit. The Scorpion Y650 frame is completed 100%. The last bit that I was talking about, gluing the front portion of the details onto the fuselage. So the frame is upside down here. So I will be taking you guys through the complete just a glimpse of what I just did now. I glued this particular surface, this one, and this one here, with just knocking it to the secondary main frame here. There's a little bit of gap, you can see I have not glued this surface, but I've just glued here and here, and same goes to this as well. I don't know why this base is in place here. Anyway, it looks a little delicate. However, I've just gone in and glued this as well. This is how it is, and the same goes to the second piece here as well. You can see, quite a little messy working with these CA glues. Alright, so here's again the landing gear. This gets just glued this surface here and here and here. I just had to knock it down a little bit with just a hard metal like this, or I used my hammer yesterday to just knock it down this and glue the surface here. So next, the motor mount has also been installed. Here you can see, even for the back portion, even the tail portion. Yes, I've already explained you guys the installation process. I'm just going to tilt it upside down now, and this is how lovely this frame looks like. Again, I've glued this surface here completely, just hard glued this surface here, and along with this surface here, from here till here, with this particular piece here on top of making this combination here. And anyway, it's still delicate. I think the hard glue isn't dried yet. Alright, then I mounted back the top, I can call the safety frame on top of the multirotor. So the frame is completed. Looks good. To clean it up, just using acrylic to black acrylic to cover these residue of the CA glue. So everything looks great. Just all excited to build, go ahead and install the electronics. Next, I will be using the 250 watt power source with brushless motors. Next, along with the combination of 30 amp ESCs, all into 6 motors, 6 ESCs, and probably and also a control unit. I'm planning on getting a multi-V and multi-V megapirate control unit. I've read reviews about it and looks all great, and also Megapirate supports there's a lot of applications that you can actually build with this control unit, like GPS, telemetry. It comes with barometer, accelerometer, magnetometer, all inbuilt sensors, and a lot of options. In fact, I'll be trying out on all that, but all I wanted is just build it myself. Let's see, stabilization and tuning. Let's see, I will not take any help from out, but I'll be solely building it myself here, just to see how exactly it works. I mean, anyway, I'm not getting into the coding part, in which it's all open source under Google, and getting into mission plan and a lot more to do. In fact, it's just like not that easy like how I did my planes. It's just a complete different set of permutation and combination, and so many other things involved in this. Yeah, of course, a lot of time goes into building these multirotors. It's fun building this. I would suggest it's really fun. About stability, as I've heard, it's not as stable as quadcopters, but it takes a lot of gain adjustments and tuning to make this multirotor stable up in the air. I'm going to be trying on GPS, head free, and so many other options, which I'll be telling you guys in future. For now, this frame is completed. Guys have any questions on this? I'll be uploading all my details on YouTube and on Facebook. Anything that you need in person, just mail me across. All my details are on place. Yeah, that's about it, guys. And do support by subscribing my channel. But next chapter will be mounting the electronics, that's my AC and the motors, and installing my control system. Alright, guys, it's 2 in the night. It was yesterday. I ended up my session at 4 in the morning. So I wrap up my video here, and hope to see you guys very soon with my new videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep tuned, guys. Thank you.